Okay, that was the first pass. Now I'm going to raise the table 3 mm. And now I need to mill down these corners here, and I do that with this setup here with an end mill. Now I need a pin to go through here to hold this roller bearing in place, and I'm planning of using this 8 mm round bar and turn it down to 7 and get a nice fit to this roller bearing too. So here we go. Let's see if this fits here. No problem. And this goes there. I think that is good enough. And time to cut it off. Just about there, I think. Okay. No. I almost forgot. I had to do something else first. Hold on. Let's do some knurling first. Then I will cut it off. Yeah, I think that is enough. Yeah, looking good. Now it's time to cut this off. And here we got this little pin, and it's supposed to go in like this, and knurling here makes it stay in place. And I'm also going to use some locking liquid to secure it. So, and then it's just to press this in. I do that now off camera. And here's the pin pressed in place. And I think it's gonna work all right, this. Two more pins to make, and then we move on. Next operation will be to drill and thread M6 for lock screws that will be fitted there. I'm using these small M6 screws as locking screws. Well, there'll be some changes again. I'm not gonna use these 3 Allen screws to lock down the 3 fingers on the steady rest. Instead I'm gonna I'm gonna make 3 knobs. And then I don't have to use any tool to lock down the 3 fingers. I think that is better, and maybe it's look a bit nicer too. We'll see. Okay. And here we got the knob and this little screw that is knurled in this end, and I just put the nut on here, something like this, and a drop of Loctite. Something like this, and then these two will be joined together. Something like this, maybe. So, and here we have it. Okay. I think this is a little bit nicer than the small Allen screws.